Hi Aries, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of April. Aries, I'm so sorry I had to take a day off. I was indulging in, niggas might know it as honey buns. Rich people know it as cinnamon rolls. I was dabbling into that, so I had to take time off. Anyways, Aries, you are the head. We are officially in April, real Aries season. Also, I got no frills. I went to no frills Aries and I got a tulip plant. So I want to introduce you to a tulip plant Aries, okay? Also, I googled what. Yes, Google. Yes, you don't trust Google. Okay, you trust your teachers. Oh, you trust your government. You trust your healthcare provider. Oh, you trust your boss. Oof. Thank God there is Google. Anyways, I googled what zodiac sign was associated with tulips, and it says it's Aries. So if you're going to No Frills, be sure to get a tulip. I want to introduce, this is your plant Aries, okay? So let us go ahead and go into your reading to see what's happening for you for today. Aries, the Emperor. Let's go. Aries. I'm also getting something happening with your eyes. Now, I heard Dr. Sebi say, if you're having any type of eye problem, glaucoma, extra layer over the eye, usually it has something to do with your liver. It's a liver toxicity. Let's go. First card out, we have the 7 of Swords. So that we're getting something about military. Oh, also Aries, we saw the picture of Elon Musk at the Central Intelligence Agency. No, I won't lie. I would have preferred Elon to be in the picture only. I don't know who is these people who keep having Elon Musk in the picture with him. The last person who had Elon Musk in the bare feet. Barefoot. Elon Musk was barefoot and him hug up Elon Musk like Elon Musk was a homeless man, right? That's why Elon, please, can we do Photoshop? Somebody wipe that person out. I don't know who him is. I think him was in a blue tie. I'm sure you are making the American people great. Elon, stop post picture with you and people, please. Say Beyonce, say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. Say Beyonce, say Elon. For once. Anyways, let's go. 7 of Swords is military. I'm getting something about. Okay, so this could also be the dark web. I'm getting a start give people. I am not saying that you are telling who have Bitcoin accounts. Because if you notice, there is Bitcoin withdrawal machines in Canada. 7 of Swords is military. What you think military use when them a try to catch spy? You think a cash? Niggas be using cash all the motherfucking time. You think a debit card? The scammer them there. Scammer them there. It's not debit. Them I use Bitcoin. That's how you catch real spy. And Canada have a lot of outlets of Bitcoin machine, whether you're scamming people, whether you're scamming old people of them riches to tell them to go to Bitcoin machine and send before the IRS, before IIRC. Good morning, before IRCC, Canada shut you down, right? So if Bitcoin is being used, that is strictly dark web. You hear what I'm saying? If the CTV footage, if the CP24 footage catch you at a Bitcoin machine, withdrawing or sending, I am telling you that is usually, if you're not doing stocks, maybe you're on Wealthsimple. Maybe you decided to go on Wealthsimple trading and buy a few stocks and you want to cash out. If it's not Bitcoin, you're dealing with dark web. So I'm getting exchange of information, military, CIA. I saw the picture of Elon Musk at the Central Intelligence Agency. We have the hangman. You hang by your foot though. So I'm getting you're not giving the information up. But there could also be something about leads. Because X is the closest we ever get to Google public dark web things. So this could be something about dark web. When you're going into dark web. That is a whole different ball game. No wonder why them trying to go to the moon. No wonder why them trying to build house. No wonder why them are trying to take up real estate to the moon. Oh no, half of the things were really are going in this world. You think aliens are the problem? You think immigrants are the problem? You thought crossing the border was the problem? Remember see how you stop border when them a come from here. Make me see how you going to stop a border. You talk about build a wall. Build a wall. You should have built a tree. You should have built a tree and call it Steve's maple syrup. That's what the fuck you should have done. You should have built a fucking tree, water the fucking tree, and have a maple syrup tree for fucking milk. You talk about borders. Borders? Remember see what you gonna do when them a come from here. Anyways, let's just continue the reading, Aries. We have the King of Pentacles. I'm getting something about a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or something about a real estate agent, and I'm getting the Star. We have Aquarius also. Aquarius rules the alien. I'm also getting, yesterday I was hearing I didn't come from this country, I landed there. Was hearing somebody say that. I'm getting a discover something. Did you discover alien? You discover a star? You discover a hybrid? Because I was also thinking yesterday, you know, humans are like plants. Like cannabis. You have sativas, the one where you can work out. Make them act like they're the CEO of your company even though they're taking employees' wages. But them always want to be busy. Them always want to be, hey, you're doing a good job, and that gives them motivation for work. Then you have the indica people. The ones that don't work or them don't want to work. Or if they do work, the timing is very slow compared to sativa people. Then you have the hybrids. Those are the aliens. Did you discover a hybrid? I'm getting something about a hybrid. I'm getting something about I'm getting something about classified documents about this Aquarius. I'm getting when you find someone they were naked. Did you find a naked baby? I'm getting something about a lot of I'm getting celebrities. When I'm dealing with dark web, I'm getting something about a lot of celebrities. I'm getting celebrities having weird something about. I'm getting gonna have some weird experiences in some mansions. Some mansions that Uno was at these mansions, Uno live there, the mansions is big, Uno have balcony, Uno go there, Uno have weird thoughts. We're getting something about like a huge mansion. I'm getting this type of outside balcony, maybe you can oversee like a lot of, I don't know, I'm getting something make you feel crazy. Anyway, Seven of Swords is clarified by the Knight of Wands. I'm getting a lot of videos. I'm getting a lot of images for sale. I'm getting weird images, gore images. I'm getting some about, we have the Four of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting some about images for sale because you hang by the neck. Sorry, it's hang by the foot, not the neck. Four of Pentacles, I'm getting you have information. I'm getting them want it. I'm gonna tell you something also. We're not afraid of see. Okay, I'm not saying that you're not supposed to be scared of being swatted, but you see the people them who wait. I am not saying that you're not supposed to be scared of the government watching you, because as long as you give Google access to your microphone and your photos, them see all of the pussy and the dick pictures. They also see the messages that you're sending, the 2 CMs every morning, and talking about that you're the only one. You're not the only one. Google know you have 2 pictures. Anyways, I'm not saying you're not supposed to be scared of the government watching your Aries. Because of course, a father wants to know what the fuck is happening in his own household, if he's paying for it. But at the same time, You see the people them who know how to get onto the dark web. I them if I fear. Me not fear government to watch me. You think me scared if me say a 3-1 worker, me a pass on the street and buy something I'm not supposed to buy and a 3-1 worker see me? Me not scared. If I'm scared of the things them what the dark web can't act. Anyways, let's go. We have a star card. Me getting something about her information. Somebody information was sold. We have the 7 of swords again. Was her information stolen? Because we have 77. Was somebody born in 1977? This could also be something about a duplication of accounts. Or me getting your face was stolen. Was it stolen by a man? Because we have 7 of swords. Knight of wands. That's a penis. Now we have 7 of swords. The star card. So it was a man stole the information. It was given back to the girl. I'm getting something that you have a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn who into Bitcoin to thank. I'm getting twins. I'm getting brothers. But I used to have a channel back in Quebec called Love, Meditate, Pray. And then it did switch to Creatrix. It was Love, Meditate, Pray. Then it got to Creatrix. I have so much abandoned accounts. Well, me just people hack me. Me get hacked so much in Montreal. In Montreal, Canada. In Montreal, Canada. Steve Maple you. Right? Me get hacked so much in Montreal. All of my account them get hacked. When I come out Toronto, I couldn't access any accounts I had in Montreal. But me used to go by Love, Meditate, Pray. Then I went by Creatrix. What else may I go? So much name. Anyways, I did a reading one time. I get the same, something about brothers. I'm getting 2, is it twins? I'm getting a King of Pentacles and a King of Cups. A earth sign and a water sign. Or this could be something about a Capricorn, Cancer. Could be a Cancer, Taurus. We have the Page of Cups. I'm getting one of them have a younger son. I get something about a Gemini. Yeah, I'm getting twins. Is it twins? I'm getting 2. Is it twins? I'm getting unrelated. Is twins. Maybe the water sign have an older son. Is this like twin military people confirming the identity of somebody? Because I'm getting something about military. I'm getting the information was returned to the woman. One more. And we have the 2 of wands. Yeah, somebody foreign stole the information. It was somebody from a foreign country, a man. It was a man stole it. What I'm getting was the 77. It was given back. Aries. We have shark, yeah. I think it's a girl. We have Pisces. I'm not sure if the man who stole it was a Pisces or someone is a Pisces. We have Taurus. Yes, something about a Pisces and a Taurus that switch destinies. I'm getting someone's a Taurus, is a girl. No, Pisces is feminine too. It is water. So maybe, yeah, because Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio like to switch this destiny swap with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorns, because both of them is feminine. So that would be like the gay man taking your feminine persona. Pisces, Taurus, something about a Pisces and a Taurus. We have Scorpio. One more. And we have the soul was sold. Probably your identity was. I'm going to leave it here, Aries. Until next time. Bye.